craft time. Today we're going to make spooky monster shadow puppets. You can try these out and make a shadow with them using light, and this will block the light and make a shadow. You see the shadow? So what we need for this craft is a straw, drinking straws, some tape. You'll want a piece of construction paper, and then some different materials. I'm using some natural materials that I collected from outside, like leaves and grasses, and also using some different things that I have, like cupcake holders and little scraps of paper, things that I collected. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our construction paper, which is going to be the body of our monster, and attach it to the straw, which is going to be our handle, and we're going to use our tape for that. So I have a piece of tape right here, and I'm going to put the tape on the top of the straw, just like that, and then attach it to the construction paper, just like that. There we go. Now I can hold it up, and that's going to be the monster. Now I have to think about, what do I want my monster to look like? So I might draw some different eyes. Maybe I want to have some big rectangle eyes on my monster, and maybe this monster is going to have big, happy mouth like that. Now if you shine the light on that, you're not going to see those features in the shadow. So what you need to do is cut them out. And so to cut those out, I'm going to fold right over right on where I drew it, right in the middle of it. And then it's easy for me to take my scissors and cut that rectangle that I drew right out with the scissors. You can also get a grown-up to help you with this cutting part. This might be a little bit tricky, but as I cut it out right on the fold there, you can see that when I open it up, are some eyes. And let's do the mouth too. So I'm going to fold right on where I drew the mouth, and then I'm going to make a little cut along there, and cut it right out along what I drew. Doesn't have to be exactly. There we go. Wow. Now, when I look at that shadow that it makes, you can see the shadow of the monster on the paper. That's fun. Now I'm going to add some other details. Maybe my monster I'm going to put these little seeds on there, and I'm just going to stick those on to the top of the monster. So it's going to be, I don't know, maybe their ears or some kind of thing that the monster has sticking up on the top of them. So I'm going to just use some tape and stick those on. Oh my goodness. And now maybe I also have these triangles. Maybe these triangles would be good on the side. So I'm going to add those triangles right to the side of my monster here, using tape again. So I'm going to take my tape, attach tape to the triangle just like this, and then I can attach that right to the puppet. And I have another one that I can add on the other side just the same way. So I'm going to attach the tape to the piece of paper, and then put it right on my, should I have it go this way this time? That looks fun. There we go. I wonder what that's going to look like. Let's check it out. Whoa, that's a pretty neat shadow. I love it. Try it out yourself and see what kind of fun creatures you can make. It's a lot of fun to try different ones and to see what their shadows look like. and maybe do a little puppet show and see what things show up in the shadow and what don't. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you like our crafts and story times, please like the video and also subscribe on our Air and Space Museum channel, and you'll get these videos each month. Bye-bye!